Hello. Shit. So in the second day in Kashan, we are going to visit Agha Bozorg Mosque and Aminoddole Caravanserai. Its original name is Timche Aminoddole. So Agha Bozorg Mosque is a historical mosque in Kashan in Iran. The mosque was built in late 18th century by Master Mimar Ustad Haj Shaban Ali. If women want to visit inside the mosque, they have to wear a chador, which is hijab, as a respect to the place, to their ritual, same as every other religious places in all around the world. The mosque and theological school, which called Madras, is located in the center of the city. The mosque has been described as the finest Islamic complex in Kashan and one of the best of the middle of the 19th century. Noted for its symmetrical design, it consists of two large Ivan. The courtyard has a second court in the middle, which comprises a garden with trees and a fountain. Hello. Look how sexy she with chador. Very common goes on. Always look up while you are visiting any historical place in Iran. Look at that. So this is inside part of the building under the Gumbad Khana. That's the Gumbad, as you can see on top of the building. It's a giant circle, and as you can see, they pay attention to every single detail because they wanted to provide a really unique and distinguished atmosphere. They take architecture very seriously. The Gumbad Khane is built on top of 8 giant legs, which provide a perfect air circulation, especially in summer. They also recycled and reused materials that they have extracted from its ground, so it makes this building very environmental friendly. You see a lot of angles all over, which is like a oval, because they believe in every human being or other creatures, they have to go toward the perfect God. Can you see the beautiful circle in the center of the ceiling? That's Toranj. After that, we are going to a very beautiful and unique place in all around Iran, in my opinion. That's Timche Aminoddole. Look at that. This is Timche Aminoddole. I'm in love with this architecture. Ah. Here is Gol Muhammadi, which they extract golab from that, and look at the ceiling. I can't get enough of the ceiling. Wow, this is actually a grand market. Look at that, how they connected. Believe me, it's worth it to ride lots of kilometers, countless of roads, and come here and just spend 1 hour or some minutes under the ceiling. Timche Aminoddole. You see this small entrance? They also decorate that too. No, you can see just 1 centimeter without any decoration. This is Islamic architecture. As you can see, there are lots of carpet store and also carpet making stores. They are making carpets here, many kinds of carpets. They are closed now, but look at them.
چی؟
ترک کنید که ایده چیز نشه.
چه ایده تو؟
اینو بگید. خب من دقیقا وسط این کادر وای میسم. خب از پشت نگاه میکنم.
چند شب؟
چیز دیگه
موضوع نگاه کردن گلناز به فرشت.
گوشت و مرغ که نگاه نمیکنم.
You can also sit here and order a omelette or anything else, and just lay down and look at the ceiling. You can smell lights on your face and your skin.
خب حالا من میتونم اصلا برسم چی بود؟
سخته ولی اینا چون معمولا تعدادشون زیاده باید تعدادشون میداشتیم. تک فرزند توشون عجیبه ولی
حدودی هم معمولا
ولی میدونم داداش حسین نیست. حسین فرزند. چیزی برای گفتن
توضیحاتو دادی؟ توضیحاتو دادی؟
حداقل میتونم بگم اینجا تیمچه امین‌الدوله که دیشب بسته بود امروز باز نیست. بساط بازار نیست. اینجا توضیحات رو
تو کپشن همکارم نمیسته.